In this video, I will show you exactly how to access the Google Flow interface and get your account set up for the first time. Getting started with new platforms from Google Labs can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, but the process for Flow is actually incredibly straightforward and user-friendly. To begin, you will need to open your preferred web browser on your computer. While most modern browsers will work just fine, I highly recommend using Google Chrome for this particular task because it generally offers the most stable and optimal performance when running Google specialized experimental tools. Once your browser is open, go ahead and navigate to the official Google Labs Flow website by typing the address directly into your search bar. As soon as the page loads, you will notice a clean and modern layout designed to get you working quickly. Look for the prominent sign-in button, which is typically located right in the center of the welcome screen or tucked into the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will bring up the standard Google authentication window that you are likely already familiar with. At this point, you can log in using your personal Google account or your professional Google Workspace Enterprise credentials if you are using this tool for work. Simply enter your email and password as prompted and follow any two-factor authentication steps required for your security. Once you have successfully logged in, you will have full access to the workspace.